I don't like to snore. I can't be with a snorer. If you snore, I'm not gonna know. We're gonna break up the first day. It's over. We can't. Snorers are unconscious jerks. That's who they are. And I can see some of y'all in here right now. I can see it in your noses. You snore. You don't know how to open your nose when you sleep. Here's the thing about the snorers though. Every single one of them always falls asleep first. Always. The louder they snore, the faster they fall asleep. That's the truest thing. They can be wide awake, but as soon as their face hits that pillow, oh my gosh, they get to go into work. It's the grossest sound in the world. They can lay down. Almost sleep. Then they always wake up in the morning and go, how'd you sleep? I didn't sleep at all. Yeah, there's noise coming from your face. You ever hit the snore and they sleep and roll over and act like you didn't do it? Yeah. Only 2 people in the room, but you just tired. You gotta get your rest. You like, shut up. Just roll over. I don't know why you're awake. I was asleep till you woke me up. This is crazy. Stand the snore. But I will tell you what is funny. See a snorer wake themselves up from snoring with snoring? That's funny. I don't care who you are. You always gotta laugh at that. Because they be on the couch and they fall asleep on their back. They can't breathe. They almost die. They want to bring everybody but themselves. They be on their couch. They went. Who did it? You did it. That's who did it.